All right. So now we're going to look at Nasdaq. So yeah, as you can see, Nasdaq was going up. It was going up from wait, let me check. But like ever since Nasdaq was going up, so here we had an uptrend, and then this is where the market, or this way Nasdaq crashed during the time of coronavirus, and then from there it recovered, and then as you know that the market won't go up forever, and then it had to retrace. I'm no longer sure, but there was something, some sort of corona what in US here, and then the market went down. So what are we looking for now? Because this is similar to this one, but they don't use this concept. So the market was on an uptrend, and then, as you know, reversals are imminent. In Nasdaq went down, and then now we are looking for a uptrend like this one. We are looking forward to see the market rally to the upside. So it already began here. So let's see. So let's see. If I'm not mistaken, I gave a signal from somewhere here, but on smaller time frames. And then I remember I was holding. I think I took my profit yesterday somewhere around here. So let's check. So now daily, okay, let's start here. We had ourselves a range. We had ourselves a range. This range was broken to the upside. So we are likely going to see Nasdaq comes down to test this level and continues to the upside. This is also going to depend on how their stocks are doing. So if stocks keeps on being strong, we might not see anything like this. We might see continuations whereby the market is continuing. So like now, we just have these dojis here where the market is still undecisive. So we are not yet sure if the market is going to come down or is going to continue to the upside. So in this case, we still have to wait. So I think I have this other account whereby I'm still holding a buy, because I believe we are still going to hit this level here, 12 458, and let me check. This is supposed to be our institutional level. Yeah. Let's say 12,500 is going to be our institutional level. 12, 12,500. 12,500. This is our institutional level. And then from 12,500, we're going where to uh, 13,000. We're going to 13,000. So this is our next stop from here. Uh, Nasdaq will go to 13,000 depending on what's going to happen. So if it continues and broke this level, we are obviously going to come and test this level 1300. These are institutional levels. So let's move to smaller time frames such as this one, and see what's happening. So this is where it began. So we had this level here. We had this level here. Only those who are in my premium lifetime premium group will understand why this level. So we have our our second touch here of this level, and then a spike to the downside whereby stops were being hit. So again, yeah, if you can check carefully, we have ourselves this thing. I want something that I'm going to use. Okay, let me use a brush. So we have ourselves this formation here of a W. So whenever we have this formation of a W, what do? We wait for the market to come back and test this level. So when the market tests this level, we do what? We buy and start focusing on these levels here. These are the levels to focus on. These are the levels to focus on. Okay, these are the levels to focus on. This one to here. These are the levels to focus on. So in this case, we took a trade here, buy here, and then I think stop loss it was somewhere here. I sent an analysis into our premium group. So I was holding. I'm not sure about the rest, what they were doing, if they were holding or what. So this is some sort of an Elliott wave theory, whereby let me do this. Let me do this. Remove drawings, and then I'm going to draw this level here. I'm going to draw this level here. Elliott wave theory, even though I don't use it, but it's something like that. Elliott wave theory, you're going to see something like this, and then you're going to see a push to the upside. This is going to be our first wave, and then you can see some sort of consolidation, and then this one is our second wave. So here we are looking forward to see what consolidation again. It can be anything like this, and then a push to the upside. So this is going to be our first, and then second, and then this one is going to be our third wave. So after that, maybe that's where we're going to see something like this, a drop to the downside, and then again to the upside. Depending on what's going to happen here, we can see we can have maybe the fourth level and the fifth level, but we're mostly focused on 1, 2, 3. This was a lit wave. YouTube. So let's forget about Elliott wave and then come back to this one. So let's do the levels. This was our first level, and then the market went up, and then it came back down again. A level was created. A level was created. A level was created here. A level was created. If you can check here, we have this, and then a test. We had a break out of this level, and then the market came back again to test here. This is where we were supposed to, we should have bought Nasdaq to the upside, targeting this level, and then another entry was given here, a buy targeting this level, and then it came back to test again, and then this was our third entry, and then holding, buying and hold wide, because it shows that this is a strong level. If you can check here, rejections, fake breakout, fake breakout, but I understand what was happening here, uh, and then the market finally broke to the downside, came back to test the same level, and then same level was tested again, and then it it went up, breaking this level. This is what I was showing you. So so uh, in this case, whereby this consolidation, this one here, it's broken, we know that we are now focusing where on buying, because we're expecting this to go where to the upside. So now we also have this level of which is everything else what a consolidation. So what are we waiting for now? We are waiting for a breakout of this level. We are waiting for a breakout of this level here, a breakout and a retest. If it breaks to the downside, we're going to wait for a retest, meaning we're going to go down with it, possibility of it hitting this level, and then continues up. It's high. We might see something like this if it breaks to the downside, and then where's that thing? Ish, my mouse. And then continues to the upside. So we have to trace this, and then again we also have ourselves an ascending trend line. So if it comes back here, you see it will be testing this level, and then we're going to have our second touch at the same time. So yeah, we're going to have ourselves a setup, something like this is going to depend. And then if someone wants to swing, you can swing to, obvious is going to be 1300, 1300, 13,000, I mean 13,000, 13,000. But make sure your first target is going to be this one here of settings, is going to be this one here, 12,500. This is going to be your first target. Also, don't forget to target these highs when the market is going down. Let's check it came back down here. So this is going to be your first target, and then the market is going to do whatever it's going to do. Second target continues, and then third target where you're at level 1300. So in order to trace this, we must go to smaller time frame. 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 So we must go to a smaller time frame such as 1 hour. Let's go to 1 hour. 1 hour, you can see we are still within a consolidation. So consolidation, you can, it's up to you, but I don't trade consolidations. So if you want to trade consolidation, it means you will be focusing on these two levels, 1 and 2. So when the market hit this level, you can buy. target, sell, target, and then until when the market breaks out. If it breaks out, you will know that now we are going to buy, and then when it breaks down, you know that it's going to sell. You can look forward to see a retracement before you buy or before you sell. So, but since we are within a consolidation, it does not mean you must not trade. You can still trade. You can still trade by using smaller time frames, but I won't be focusing on this one right now since it's in a consolidation. Let's move to 30 minutes. For me, there's nothing interesting. For me, there's nothing interesting right now. Right now, even if I can go to 15 minutes, I won't call this trade for now. But if you want to trade this consolidation, it's fine, you can do it. So for now, there's nothing much here, just waiting for the market to break out of this consolidation. So you can also trade the Nasdaq Open. You can also trade the Nasdaq Open. What is meant by the Nasdaq Open is that half past three movements. Those movements are caused when the Nasdaq, let me say the Nasdaq offices opens, or when they start working, because that's Nasdaq Open. So those are fundamentals. That one is also going to depend on what you are using for your fundamentals. So I've got myself some good sources for these fundamentals. Yeah, some stuff I'm not going to share here, but just understand that. But still looking forward to see Nasdaq go up, go up, go up, go up to this level, but it won't just jump to this level. You know, the market must fluctuate, so it can either come down here or break to the upside and then do its own thing. The way it's going to do it, I'm not sure, until it reaches this level, until they reach this level. So if you want to buy, this is going to be a perfect level to buy Nasdaq. So from here, you can't buy anywhere inside this level. Just wait for Nasdaq to break out to the upside or downside. So then that's where you're going to buy. So there's nothing hard here, just simple support and resistance, and then breakout or supply and demand. So yeah, so I'm going to post this video, as you know, so don't forget to like, subscribe, and then comment, so that I can make more videos for you guys here. And then as for our lifetime premium group, is still open. If you want to join, just click the link above this what's this telegram icon. Just click on it, and then it's going to take you straight to our groups, and then that's where you can hit me with a DM, and then we're going to take it from there. What's this? An indices group or program? Yeah, we do have it now. So just hit me on Telegram, then we're going to check it from there. So thanks, guys. Peace. But don't forget to share this video. It's either you share a video or a link. It's up to you, but just please try to support us by doing that. So thanks, guys.